In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Revolut using your virtual card. So if you want to start paying for things with Revolut using your virtual card, the first thing we need to do is click on cards in the top right hand side and just make sure you have a virtual card set up and ready to use. If you don't already have one, you can always click on the Add New button. From the list of options, click on Virtual. Go and select the color of your Revolut card and click on Get Card for free. Now we can simply give our card a name. I'm just going to call this Virtual and then go and click on Create Card. Now once you have your card set up and ready to use, you just need to click on the virtual card that we just created. You can then click on the Show Details button to reveal your card number and expiry date. Now, this is going to be important as we're going to need this information to add this card to our Apple Wallet. Now, what you need to do is open up the Settings application on your phone, use the search box and just type in the word Wallet and then click on Wallet and Apple Pay. Now scroll down to the payment cards and select Add Card. Now you'll have two different options. You can either add your virtual card by clicking on the Revolut application, and you should be able to use this method to automatically link your card. Otherwise, we can click on Debit or Credit Cards, click on Continue, and select Enter Card Details manually. Now just go and enter the card number that we just revealed from the Revolut application. Once your card's been added to Apple Wallet, you can simply open up the Wallet application on your phone and you can begin using your virtual Revolut card. All you'll need to do is double click on the lock screen on the right hand side of your phone and you can begin using this for contactless payments. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.